Not so fast, Shaira. Yeah, many girls. Many. Not only girls. Now Wednesday. I think in the weekend. Oh, Aratu, hello, Aratu. I subscriber from Philippines. I am from Philippines. Привет.
Watch
Тоже.
you in YouTube.
Yes.
Спасибо. До свидания. Пока-пока.
This is we talk with popular blogger, Russian blogger. He lives in Pattaya. I will translate in English what we talking about. He's very popular and very interesting guy. He traveling also a lot, and he live already maybe 3 years already live in the Thailand in Pattaya.
And also it's my first time to see Aratu in person.
Yes, Shaira, his subscriber. Georgi shy. Georgi, why you shy? You know Aratu. Georgi shy. Okay.
I'm only subscriber.
No, subscriber, but you watch.
But I understand because each subscriber when meet him
Uh-huh.
and stop him and going to talk, maybe it's annoying already. So that's why I don't want to stop.
Yes, sometimes, yes, I understand.
If he is already famous and popular here, and you stop him, he goes somewhere with equipment, you see.
Yes.
If you stop him and talk 10 minutes, it's maybe not.
Maybe he busy, I understand. Yes.
So why?
Okay, but
Because
he...
when I go somewhere also,
Mhm.
and someone stop me, some subscriber stop me and going to talk with me, I don't like it.
Georgi is different because sometimes you don't understand if noisy. That's why you not understand if noisy place. You don't. That's why you cannot talk
Yes.
because noisy. Oh, so many people, so many girls, so many. Beach road, very popular. What we sail. Ага.
I know Aratu always sit here.
Yes, he sit near this area. Maybe different places. And he said he won't stay. He won't stay in Pattaya.
Want or don't want?
No, he won't live in Pattaya. He already 3 years here. Lion. And he want to stay in Pattaya, live in Pattaya. Georgi, what he said? He said. I said. He said. What he said? Huh? Boom boom. Oh, boom boom. what share? What you? Huh?
Boom boom.
Uh huh.
This was single.
Don't know.